In this quick video, we're going to answer the question, what's a landing page? I'm Gary Baker with 30minutemarketing.net. Let's jump right into it by taking a look at a diagram of what a landing page is. So here we are in a diagram, and a landing page is the page you see here, which is simply a page on the internet that is designed to capture leads from traffic sources where your potential customers are hanging out. So in this example, we have customers on Facebook, LinkedIn, or YouTube. And here we're talking about running ads, but this could just as easily be from an organic or a post on your Facebook profile, on your LinkedIn profile, or from a YouTube video, just like the video that I'm making right here. And I would have a call to action, and I would say link in the description and the pinned first comment. Your potential customer would then click, and then they would land on your web page or your landing page. And on this page, you would have either information or you would have a place to capture that lead's information. Email address being the most common. Specifically, we're talking about as an affiliate marketer in the information space, selling information products, or if you're in e-commerce selling physical products, it's going to be an order form. It also could be a phone number, so you could follow up with SMS, physical address, so you could send them mail and via the post office. The point here is the landing page, also known as a squeeze page, is just a website where you can gather information. So I'm going to show you a few examples now, but again, remember, you have potential customers on the internet, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube. You're going to build a landing page, which again is just a simple website that I'm going to show you here in just a second, that is used to collect customers' information and add them as leads into some type of database where you can further follow up with them in your business. So now let's look at a couple of examples. So here's a landing page, which also doubles as a home page for 30-minute marketing. As you can see, it is simply a page with information, and then it has a call to action towards the bottom to get a free report. When you click here to get a free report, it takes you to another form of a landing page or a squeeze page where they enter information, name, and email, and they click to get the report, again adding those leads into a database where I then follow up with them. Another example is where you take some things away so you don't have as many things to do on the landing page. You can see up here, I took away the home, the about, any other of the distractions or links up here, which leads them again down to a call to action where I guide them down to the thing that I want them to do, which is to click here to access the blueprint. Then when they click on that link, it takes them to another page that you see right here, which again is a landing page, but more in the sense of a typical squeeze page with a big headline. And then as you scroll down, it has another call to action, and again, just collecting an email address. Again, so a landing page is just a page on the internet where you have information or a call to action or a CTA where you're trying to get a person, your potential customer, to enter their information. And these can be built with many different tools. Most email autoresponders have landing pages built in for free. You can get GrooveFunnels, which I talk about here on the channel. There's a link in the description. You can grab a free account for that and use GroovePages. Or you can use WordPress, or you could just code it in HTML and upload it on your own hosting. So let me show you one more example, which is the traditional squeeze page, which is just a single page where there's nothing to do other than read the headline and the subheadline, enter a name and or an email address, and then simply click, add that lead to the database, just like I showed you right here. In this example, Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, YouTube ads, or again, organic or free traffic from Facebook, LinkedIn, or YouTube, over to that landing page. In that case, a simple traditional squeeze page with just a headline and one clear call to action to get that customer to click, enter their information, be added into the leads database so I can follow up with them. So again, what's a landing page? A landing page is simply a website that you use in your business to collect potential customers' information so you can follow up with them. And as I said, this is done very easily and regularly in the realm of affiliate marketing. And if you'd like to know more about how to do that, link in the description to get started with a simple step-by-step training program, which is free. Go ahead, link in the description and the pinned first comment. Click that, see the landing page or the squeeze page in action for yourself. And if this video is helpful, give me a thumbs up, 30-minute timer right here on the end screen. Click that, subscribe to the channel, check out the rest of the videos here. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.